She loved bright flowers, hot towns, so very much fluttering over them, just like a butterfly, gifting her admired sweet dreams. I see, oh, yeah, promising her, to yet promising her heart to take, no under fiery air, bright red blossom one day, she wanted to pick it today, and once again, like a white moth, like a white moth trap. She flew straight toward its radiant glow, though it's not an easy bond to tame. Friendship between a moth and a flame. Samba, the white moth, right beside an open flame, trying not to scorch those fragile little wings. Better to live young and light. Samba, the white moth. Drift through the air, never too far from the ground. You gotta live life to sing only what your heart desires. Just a little bit, and she loved him